Hi, I'm Richard Giddy from ActiveImage. Today I'm going to do a quick demonstration of our new virtual edition featuring HyperBack, our agentless backup. We'll also cover a new feature called destination isolation, a new little twist to combat malware. Okay, now that we've selected the HyperAgent, we've got four options here. We've got HyperBack, HyperRestore, HyperStandby and File Recovery. We're going to click on HyperBack and start the configuration. First thing we do is add our hypervisor. Select our type. I'm going to start off with an ESXi host. Put in the host name or IP address, username and password. Then what it'll do is it'll give us a list of all the virtual machines on that host, and we can simply tick the ones that we wish to include in this agentless backup. Now I'll just repeat that step 3 more times, giving us a total of 2 ESXi hosts and 2 Hyper-V hosts. Whilst those hypervisors are added in the background, let's talk about advantages of agentless backup. It's less time consuming. In this demo, across 4 separate hypervisors, we're setting up the backup for 17 VMs, both Windows and Linux. Then there's resource conservation, CPU, memory, disk I/O. So next I'll click Next, and then I'll just briefly talk about our destination isolation options. What you can see here is by severing access to the backup destinations at an operating system level, we can really combat malware. And what we can also do is unassign the drive letter, achieving the same sort of results. And insufficient space. We can ignore that because I know that once compression is applied, I know that I've got enough space. So then I'll just select my schedules, so click OK. I'm just going to change the execution priority to high. As you can see here, we've got post-backup processes, image check, consolidation and retention policy. We can go into those in some of the deep dives with Sergey. Click Next, have a quick look. Go Done. And now what we're going to see is, I'll run the first schedule. I'm going to speed this up, but you'll see all the jobs being executed. Probably notice that it's doing 5 at a time. That's how I set my preferences, saying that it will run 5 concurrent tasks, which is actually the default. Well, thanks a lot. That's the end of this quick demonstration of our agentless backup and our destination isolation. Here's some details. Join one of our webinars. Thanks for listening.